guys, today I'm gonna teach you where you can watch Money Heist complete seasons from 1 to 4 without payments, and you don't need to use your credit cards. If you don't have credit cards, you don't need a credit card generator. But in these simple steps or easy way I will provide, you can watch Money Heist freely from seasons 1 to 4 completely. So you don't forget to subscribe to my channel, support for new YouTubers, and support this tutorial channel for you. Then let's go. So guys, all you need to do is to open your default browser, just like here, and then you're gonna type here m4uhd.net. So that's the website name. All you need to do is default browser and your data connection or Wi-Fi connection to watch a Money Heist. So all you need to do is to search it. So just search the name of the video you want. You guys, it's not just Money Heist, but there are so many movies you can watch here for free. Then tap the Money Heist, and then you will see here that there's so many links here that from season 1 into season 4 it is completely, just like I said, it's very legit. So if you want me to try, I will show you guys that this is working. So I'm gonna click that, and then you gotta choose within these 5 links here to play, and I'm just gonna tap here Fembed, and then just wait it, and you can see here that you can play it. Just play it and just cancel the tab, and then go back to the m4uhd.net, and then here you can see that it is work and it's not fake, and you can see that it's English, guys. So every time there's a website that redirected you into another website, just close the new website and then go back to m4uhd.net. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. So I'm gonna tell you, there are so many people who want to watch Money Heist for free. If you think this video helps you, just like and share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.